this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Fortnite account from PlayStation 4 to Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you play Fortnite on various different platforms, such as a PlayStation console and then an Xbox console, you might want to transfer your progress over, and this is absolutely possible. You can connect as many consoles and as many platforms as you have, and your progress will always be shared. So all of your skins in the locker, all of your items will be available in your shop, and so on. To do this, you have to visit the Fortnite website. So instead of opening the game on those consoles, go to Fortnite.com through a web browser, and in here, sign into your account. This is going to be the Epic Games account that you used to play. So choose your primary account. For example, if you primarily play on PlayStation, choose the option to sign in using your PlayStation Network account, or if you know your email address and password for Epic, then use those. With this done, click on your name and go to Connect Accounts. Now you will be redirected into this page where you can connect different platforms into Epic, including of course PlayStation and Xbox. So in this example, you primarily play on PlayStation 4 and you want to connect or transfer your Fortnite account to Xbox Series S. So all that you have to do is link an Xbox Network account. So you click on the link option. Now sadly, I cannot demonstrate this process because I already have an Xbox account connected, but it looks like this. You click on link and then you will be redirected into the Xbox website where you can choose the option to connect the account. Then you approve the connection, and the next time that you go into your Xbox Series S and you play using that account, your progress will be transferred from PlayStation 4. And if you go back into PlayStation 4, your progress will still be there, so you can play on both consoles without any issues. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.